2,000 cars here today. Overwhelming.
Very cool. And how about the beautiful convertible sitting next to it? It's TR6 out there with 2.5 Trans Am. It's great. Mentioned Camry 510 has some of that as well.
So this is a 1929 Packard by Dietrich. And this is a 1976 Brecklin with the gull-wing doors. So this is Aaron Weiss's 1931 Duesenberg that was originally owned by William S. Rupert of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The 1939 Buick. De Tomaso Pantera. A lot of them. The Maserati Camza 1977. 1929 Stutz and Club sedan. There's a cute little Alfa Romeo. Beautiful styles are still in style. Custom Cadillac, 1956. So this is President Franco's 1956 limousine. So this is a 1932 Plymouth limousine made by Brewster. Coach worked for President Franklin Roosevelt. Eleanor Roosevelt used it most of the time going to her home.
Switch, they were like repairing them.
So this is a 1949 Mercury convertible from the movie Grease.
Your eyes peeled for sitting in money. It was a musical. No.
So this is the 1915 Pierce Arrow. It was made for Milton Hershey from Pennsylvania, Detroit. Here are the little bitsy cars, very tiny. So this is the Citroen 100th anniversary. Yeah, the big exhibit.
Appreciate you preserving the history here. Before I wrap up and let you go over to the meet and greet stage, I wondered if any of the audience here.
Here's my doctor's coupe. This is the Cadillac LaSalle Club, the SoCal region. So this is the Cadillac LaSalle exhibit, and this is Omar's car, 56 Cadillac convertible. So this is a Pinto.
So,
Even Forest Lawn Cemetery has an exhibit. So this is a car on exhibit from the Peterson Museum. This is the 1958 Cadillac Eldorado DR Ritz that I could have had for $8,500 back in the 1980s. This is the Peterson's 1948 Tucker. This is the 1953 Bosley.
Science!